Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be discussing about the button element. Yes, how we can make use of the button element in HTML. So let me show you. Firstly, the button element, or let me say the button tag, is a clickable button. Understand? Like something you can click. You understand? So that is what the button element is all about. So let me show you the button element. So let's start. So the button. So let me say button. So the type. What type? So these are the attributes. It's going to be button. So the button attribute has a lot of the button has a lot of attributes, right? It has the reset a lot. When we get there, I'm going to teach more about it. So now let me write click this button. Click this button. Now click this button. Now let me click. You see, I can click, but let me add a little JavaScript so that you can see the effectiveness of the button when it is clicked. So let me just write on click on click. So let me say alert. Don't worry if you don't understand what I'm doing. I'm just writing a little JavaScript here so that you can see the effectiveness of clicking the button. Let me say my tutorial my tutorial. So with this, I believe so let me click. Now you see immediately I click, I have it here, my tutorial. What I have here is displaying here, my tutorial. Let me close. So let me click again. So you see this is just like adding an event to a button in JavaScript, but we are still on HTML. So just to make the button effective so that you can see that whenever I click on the button, it will appear. So even with CSS, we can modify the effect of the button. There are some properties we can modify on it that by placing my cursor on it, the symbol of the cursor will change. So when we get there, I'm going to explain better. So thank you for this tutorial. Next tutorial, we're going to teach